Hey, Cheryl. I've been seeing a lot of buzz about quantum sensors lately, especially in healthcare. It sounds really futuristic, almost sci-fi. What's the deal with them exactly?
Oh, Shannon, it's not sci-fi, it's totally happening, and it's like a massive game changer for healthcare. Basically, quantum sensors leverage these super precise quantum mechanics principles to detect the tiniest biological signals. The big thing, the really exciting part, is early disease detection, like way earlier than we can now.
Wow, earlier. So, like cancer, neurodegenerative stuff? How does it actually pick up on those tiny signals?
Yeah, exactly. So they can detect these super subtle molecular vibrations, almost like chemical fingerprints for diseases, cancer, infections, metabolic disorders, right in bodily fluids. Blood, saliva, urine, it's a huge step up from traditional methods that often struggle with faint signals. Think about quantum dots, for instance. They're these tiny, like fluorescent probes that are amazing for diagnosing tumors, tracking molecular events in cancer cells. They can even target specific biomolecules for early stage tumors. Or diamond based sensors, these are wild. Nitrogen vacancy centers in diamond, they're ultra sensitive. They can measure magnetic fields at the nanoscale. Companies like QTAS are already using them to detect cancer cells.
Diamond-based sensors for cancer? That's mind-blowing. So if they're that sensitive, could they also help with neurology? I'm thinking brain stuff, like Alzheimer's?
Absolutely, Shannon. That's another huge area. These sensors are offering non-invasive ways to map neural activity with incredible detail. For brain mapping, they can detect the tiny magnetic fields from firing neurons. And get this, they can track the speed of signals across the brain. If that speed slows down, it could be an early sign of neurodegenerative diseases like Alzheimer's or Parkinson's, way before current methods catch it. They're actually believed to be more accurate than EEG or fMRI because they can be placed closer to the skull, improving resolution. Researchers at the University of Chicago are even using diamond nanosensors to understand protein misfolding, which causes those diseases. And then there's drug discovery. Wow.
Oh, drug discovery? How does quantum fit into that? Is it like making new drugs faster?
Yeah, totally. Classical computers struggle with modeling complex molecular interactions at the atomic level, right? It's just too many variables. Quantum computers, they can handle that complexity much more efficiently, accelerating the discovery of new drugs, cutting down development time and cost. Companies like D-Wave Systems and IBM, they're already using quantum computing for faster molecular simulations. And when you mix that with AI, it's even better. AI guides the quantum simulations, analyzes results. It's really streamlining the whole process, helping us find promising drug candidates.
That's incredible, Cheryl. So, early detection, neurology, drug discovery, what about during treatment? Can these sensors actually help in real time?
Oh, for sure. Real-time treatment monitoring is another massive potential. Imagine like tagging molecules with carbon-13 and using quantum techniques to boost MRI signals. You could monitor cell metabolism in tumors almost in real time. This means doctors could actually see if chemotherapy is working within days instead of waiting weeks for, tumors to visibly shrink. It's incredibly precise. Quantum sensors could also be integrated into radiation therapy to provide real-time feedback, dynamically adjusting treatment plans based on tumor movement. That enhances precision, efficacy. It's huge for personalized medicine.
Wow, that sounds almost too good to be true. But I'm guessing there are some pretty big hurdles to get there, right? Like cost or making them smaller?
You've totally hit it, Shannon. Hurdles are definitely there. Miniaturization is a huge one. Shrinking these complex lab setups into tiny, reliable medical devices is tough. Designing them custom, considering size, lifespan, environment, it's a lot. Then there are the technical and cost barriers. Quantum tech is complex, super expensive to develop. Noise, decoherence, these environmental disturbances can mess with the sensors, cause errors. Scalability, too, most have few qubits. But here's the thing, the momentum is building, like globally. Governments, universities, private companies are pouring money into this. The UK, for example, invested $100 million. The global market, it's projected to grow significantly. So, yeah, challenges, but a lot of progress.